and welcome back to another video on Login Helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how to fix your Samsung's USB connector problem when it shows connected disconnected. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and restart your phone. If you still see the issue, then it may be a charger problem. Go ahead and try on a different charger. If the notification still pops up, then here's what you're gonna do. Go ahead and scroll down from above and tap on the gear icon, which is the settings for your Samsung device. Now scroll down to the bottom of your screen under settings and tap on about phone. Now you'll be able to see a software information option. Simply tap on it. Under software information, tap 7 times on build number and then you'll be switched to developer mode. As you can see, developer mode has been enabled. Now if you go back to your settings, you'll be able to see developer options. Tap on developer options. Under this, you'll be able to see, if you scroll down enough, USB debugging option. Simply enable this and allow USB debugging by tapping on OK. After that, go ahead, scroll down a bit more and you'll come across default USB configuration. Tap on it. Now tap on charging phone only and go ahead and restart your device to make sure that this feature is applied. Go ahead, scroll down from above. You'll see the power icon, tap on it. And then you'll come across the restart button. Simply tap on it. You can also long press on your power key and you will come across the same window. Simply tap on restart and these effects will be applied. If you're still getting this issue, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to go ahead to the settings option again. Tap on it. This time scroll down and tap on notifications. Tap on app notifications. Now on the top right corner, you'll be able to see the 3 dotted icon. Tap on it. Tap on show system apps. Now you'll be able to see Android system. Tap on it. Now tap on notification categories. Now scroll down to USB importance low. Tap on it and then tap on lock screen. Now on lock screen, tap on don't show notifications and you'll be done. And I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below and thanks for watching.